let's start with a bang. Introducing the AbramsX Super Tank, a battlefield behemoth that epitomizes modern military prowess. Its advanced armor scoffs at the most fearsome of attacks, ensuring its survivability. It's not just about surviving, though, it's about thriving, absorbing hits while continuing to charge ahead. With its terrifying arsenal, inclusive of a main gun and secondary armament, it becomes a nightmare for any adversary. But don't be fooled by its size. This Titan surprises with its speed and agility, adept at outmaneuvering opponents and striking when least expected. Its velocity, strength, and protective shell make it a formidable force on the battlefield. There you have it, the AbramsX Super Tank, a true Titan that's to be taken lightly. Next up, let's scale the harshest terrains with the BVS-10 by BAE Systems. This beast of a machine boasts an all-terrain capability that makes navigating through rocky mountains or marshy swamps feel like a stroll in the park. Designed with a robust structure, the BVS-10 is a true testament to the adage, tough on the outside, soft on the inside. The interior, built for troop comfort, ensures our brave soldiers are at ease, even when the going gets tough. But the BVS-10 isn't just about comfort and cruising through difficult terrains. It allows troops to move swiftly and securely, even in the harshest environments. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifeline, a safety net for those who risk their lives for us. Let's switch gears to something more futuristic, the Caliber MK4 Robot by IceYore Technology. The Caliber MK4 is a military-grade piece of machinery designed to handle the most dangerous tasks. It's like having a superhero on your team, one that's immune to explosions and doesn't require a lunch break. One of its primary functions is bomb disposal. Yes, you heard that right. This robot can disarm explosives, keeping military personnel at a safe distance. But that's not all. The Caliber MK4 is also a surveillance whiz. It can snoop around undetected, gathering crucial information that can save lives and ensure mission success. Military operations have never been safer or more efficient. The Caliber MK4 Robot, a life-saving tech marvel. Now, let's take to the skies with the drone gun. Its capabilities are nothing short of impressive. It has the ability to disable drones in midair, effectively grounding them before they can pose any danger. It's like an invisible shield protecting us from above. The benefits of the drone gun are clear. Increased airspace security means fewer worries about unwanted aerial visitors. It also means the prevention of potential drone-related threats, keeping our homes, our cities, and our nations safer. It's a symbol of security, a testament to human ingenuity, and a step towards a more secure future. The drone gun, the sky's new sheriff. Up next, we have a guardian of the seas, the Lanius by Elbit Systems. The Lanius is a remarkable piece of maritime technology, designed with advanced sonar capabilities that can detect underwater threats with acute accuracy. With the ability to operate in all sorts of weather conditions, this vessel is a game-changer in maritime security. Its state-of-the-art stealth technology allows it to remain virtually undetectable while scanning the depths, ensuring that it can carry out its missions without attracting unwanted attention. But what sets the Lanius apart is its contribution to maritime safety. By detecting and identifying potential threats, it plays a critical role in averting disasters at sea. In this way, the Lanius is not just a vessel, but a proactive guardian, making the world's oceans a safer place for all. Now imagine having a network so intelligent it could provide real-time information, surveillance, and communication. That's Flexnet for you. This isn't your run-of-the-mill surveillance system. Oh no, Flexnet is a cut above, offering advanced capabilities that could redefine the way we perceive security. It's like having a pair of high-tech eyes and ears on the ground, around the clock. But that's not all. Flexnet doesn't just watch and report. It communicates. It links up with other systems, sharing information and updates in real time. This level of interconnectivity makes it an invaluable asset in any security setup, whether it's a military base or a high-security facility. The Flexnet wireless surveillance, your eyes and ears on the ground. From the ground to the sky, the world of defense technology never ceases to amaze. Let's launch into our next chapter with the Multiple Cradle Launcher by Jobaria Defense Systems. This isn't just a regular launcher, it's a monster in the field of artillery, capable of unleashing devastating firepower in a matter of seconds. Sporting a massive 122mm rocket system, it comes with 4 cradles, each cradle holding 60 rockets. That's a total of 240 rockets ready to rain down on the enemy. But it's not just about the number of rockets, it's about the precision and the range. The multiple cradle launcher has a maximum range of 40 kilometers and can accurately hit targets with an error margin of less than 1%. It's a game changer on the battlefield, offering unparalleled firepower, precision, and range. From the sky, we're coming back down to Earth, but not without bringing the future along. Next, we're rolling into the future with the MV3 Testudo counter-terrorism robotic vehicle. This isn't your average RC car, it's a fully fledged robotic vehicle designed specifically for counter-terrorism operations. Equipped with advanced sensors and a 360-degree camera system, the MV3 Testudo is capable of navigating complex environments, detecting threats, and defusing explosive devices without risking human lives. It can go where humans can't, it can see what humans can't, and it can do what humans can't. Now let's box up some firepower with the Patria Nemo container. This is no ordinary container. It's a compact, modular, and highly adaptable weapon system that can be rapidly deployed in the most challenging battlefields. The Patria Nemo container houses a 120mm mortar system capable of launching high explosive rounds at targets up to 10 kilometers away. It's not just about the firepower, though. The Nemo container's advanced fire control system ensures that every round hits its mark with incredible precision. Its compact design allows for easy transportation and deployment, making it an ideal solution for mobile warfare. Let's light up the sky with the Spike Firefly by Rafael. A marvel of modern technology, the Spike Firefly is not your typical drone. It's an innovative loitering munition system designed to hunt down and neutralize targets in urban warfare situations. Small, yet mighty, the Firefly is equipped with an electro-optical seeker and dual warheads for maximum effectiveness. Its unique ability to loiter around a target area allows for accurate identification and elimination of threats, reducing collateral damage and ensuring the safety of friendly forces. The Firefly's compact design and lightweight construction also make it easily portable, providing troops with an efficient and deadly tool right in their backpacks. The Spike Firefly, a dazzling display of aerial might. Moving onward, we're hitting the road with run-flat tires. This is not your ordinary set of wheels. Run-flat tires are a groundbreaking innovation in vehicular technology, developed to keep you on the move even after a puncture. Equipped with a reinforced sidewall, these tires can support the weight of a vehicle for a limited distance, even after a complete loss of air pressure. This means that you can continue driving to a safe location or service center, instead of being stranded on the side of the road. Furthermore, the design of run-flat tires reduces the risk of a sudden blowout, significantly enhancing vehicle safety. So, whether you're in a high-speed chase or navigating through a battlefield, these tires ensure your journey remains uninterrupted. Now, let's take aim with Thales Satis Small Arms Training. A virtual simulation system provides realistic, immersive training scenarios for soldiers to practice their marksmanship. The system allows for a wide range of weapon simulations, from handguns to assault rifles, catering to various training needs. Moreover, it offers detailed analytics for each training session, enabling soldiers to fine-tune their skills and improve their precision. Not only does this system enhance combat readiness, but it also reduces the risk and cost associated with live ammunition training. Finally, we're making a splash with the ultra-heavy lift Amphibious connector. This colossal beast of a machine can transport up to 3 main battle tanks simultaneously, making it the ultimate in amphibious military transport. Its design, featuring innovative air cushion technology, ensures smooth navigation over both land and sea terrains. The ultra-heavy lift Amphibious connector not only excels in load capacity but also surpasses expectations in speed, making it a formidable asset in rapid deployment scenarios. Its ability to scale 10-foot seawalls and carry a whopping 190 tons of cargo makes it an invaluable tool for military logistics. This incredible machine brings a whole new meaning to the phrase Heavy Duty. The ultra-heavy lift amphibious connector, conquering land and sea.